Welcome back to my channel. I'm about to do omelet. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, so I finally got time to come around to get to it. So now I got my 3 eggs for my omelet. I did put some taco meat up in there. I'm gonna put a little bit of what is this? Onion powder. And I'm gonna use some garlic powder and some black pepper. Not that much, just enough to the taste. And y'all put parsley in everything, so I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley up in there. And this right here, this Creo seasoning, this is my new go-to. So I'm gonna throw that up in there too. And my my cheese, y'all. This that good cheese, y'all. You know that cheese that just melts. You don't have to. Y'all know that cheese we had back in the day. It didn't melt. This that, what's it called? Kraft? But I got that. Actually, this that Velvetta cheese, y'all. Get y'all some. Okay, so I'm using this canola oil. This is what I'm putting in my pan for my vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some onions and bell peppers in my little pan. Not that much. I probably put too much, y'all. Not that much. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little salt, a little pepper, a little bit of salt. For y'all that don't really do salt, y'all can use your own seasoning. And we're gonna go ahead and let this come to get a little browning. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables to my omelet. Y'all, this is my favorite pan, so don't be talking about my pan, y'all. It's my favorite pan I use. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and grease this pan up so the omelet won't stick. So the omelet won't stick to the pan. We're gonna do this like this. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my stove on well, just do this like this, y'all. This the egg mixture. Don't that look so good, y'all? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and throw that in the pan like that. Okay, that's our omelet there, y'all, with our vegetables. Okay, y'all, so this is what the omelet is looking like. Don't that look so good, y'all? So yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, so here is my omelet. I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley on there, on top of my tomatoes. And y'all can just, hook it up how y'all want to hook it up. But this is my brunch. Thank you again for watching. I decided to come back and add a little cheese to that. Yeah, I'm trying to make it pretty because I know it's going to taste real good. And I'm going to add a little sour cream, y'all. This sour cream I'm using, the Daisy's, my favorite. Get you some Daisy sour cream. And we're going to put this on here like so. Okay, come on with sour cream. Don't play with me now. Just like that, y'all. Okay. Y'all don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my cooking channel, China's World. And also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can know every time I drop a video. Thank you for watching.